Hi everyone, I'm glad to show you that I managed to create a site which is working with Litecoin and using Litecoin mainnet and also Litecoin testnet. I'm quickly going to show you how it's working now. First, will open the site which is linked to the mainnet. Here is. It's only showing something like a hot wallet. Here is there is a deposit page and there is withdraw page. You can deposit and withdraw with all four available types of Litecoin addresses. For example, you can, if you want to deposit a Mimble address, you can generate and it will generate the Litecoin address for the net and deposit uh, the amount of Litecoin to this address, which will be granted to your balance after 6 confirmations. Uh, Here is you can also generate native SegWit address and deposit to this address and respectively you can withdraw to any of these four types addresses when you paste your address here. And now I'm going to switch to Litecoin testnet to show you how it's working, as I don't have any real Litecoins at the moment. So quickly jumping to the testnet. For this presentation I have two users accounts, so I'm going to use bot to show you that site is working. Let's log in with the first account, and here is the deposit page, and for example I want to deposit some Wimble address, and here is I make some limitation that new address could be generated only for 3 days, so probably I will not be able to generate a new address at the moment. Let's try. Oh. Okay. Actually, it's just generated the new address, and you can't send now Litecoin to it. Let's jump to Litecoin core wallet, which is connected to the Litecoin testnet, and sending some Wimble Litecoins, let's say 20 cents. Typing the password and 20 cents have been sent, and the site is refreshing every 2 minutes, so each moment the transactions will appear. Meanwhile, we can withdraw some Litecoins. By the way, I have deposited one Litecoins in advance, so the new transaction from the 20 cents is still not granted to the balance. When it have 6 confirmation, then it will be granted, so the balance would be 1 Litecoin and 20 NT. Okay. Let's withdraw something, let's say 30, and where uh, mm, user one, generate the normal address. Okay, this one. Okay, and the address is starting with letter T because it's a test network. It's okay. The amount we want to withdraw, their static fee I implemented, and so the 10 cents subtract the fee is sent to our wallet, and when we go here and we can see that transaction is coming, there is still zero confirmations. By the way, the first deposit already have one confirmation, so it should be visible probably. Here is, there is one confirmation, but we are waiting for 6 to be granted. Also there is a link to the Explorer. There is still some time the data to be refreshed to the Explorer, so later we will check again. Okay. Meanwhile, we can jump to the second account. Here is, it's also have the balance from one Litecoin. There is no transaction here except the transaction which is granting this one Litecoin. Okay, we can send some Litecoins here too. Let's say we want legacy address to generate one here, get the address, and send let's say to user 2, and we want 50 to send, and send. Okay, we are waiting for confirmation now. Okay. Okay. We can withdraw also from here. We're going to use the same Litecoin core wallet. Okay, for example, we want to withdraw to Mimblewimble address. Let's go here and say user 2 Mimblewimble address. Okay, generate, copy, here is, paste the address here, and the amount, let's say 30, and also the network fee will be subtracted, so 29 will be sent. Here is 29.9. Okay, and go to the wallet, and we can see that 299 is coming. Still there is zero confirmations. Okay, and let's go to the deposit, and I'm going to pause the video to pass some time in order the transaction to be confirmed, so see you later. I'm back. The four transactions have been confirmed. So the two deposit transaction and the two withdraw transaction respectively for the both users, user 01 and user 02. Here is the last four transactions. They have already 7 confirmations, and when we go and refresh the site, and we can see the new transaction. This is the deposit page, so it's the deposit transactions. Actually, deposit, yes. And here is, let me check, it's sent to user 2. Here is user 2. Amount here is 50, and address this one, mv5 fn. Okay, and the transaction ID, this one is, let me move this from here, is okay, 78, it's okay. And also the withdraw transaction for this user, and this one, it was transaction to Wimbo address, and this transaction address, this one, okay, and transaction 30, transaction 30 complete. Okay, and here is how it's visible on Blockchain Explorer. And from address to the Wimbo address is not visible in the common Litecoin Explorer. Okay, let's switch to the first user, and it should be the same. We have here a deposit of Wimbo transaction from 20. Okay, where is this one? To address 95, to address 95, and transaction D65. Okay, this one, it's confirmed, and the withdraw transaction is 10 cents. Okay, where is it? This one, withdraw to 84U, and transaction 626E3. Here is Blockchain Explorer. Okay, also the balance, we had one Litecoin in advance, and what we did, deposit 20 and withdraw how much? Withdraw 10. So the sum is actually 20 subtract 10 is increased by 10, and it should be the same for the second. We have one by default, and we deposit 50, 150, and withdraw how much? 30. So 150 subtract 30 is 120, and we have 120. Okay, it's everything look good. And also what I mentioned, that you can generate a new address only each 3 days. So for example, if I can try to generate new address, you have this message that I am not able to generate a new address. I need to wait 2 days and 23 hours, and so what else? Actually, there is only basic functionality, because I need probably 2 or 3 months to spend to make more secure the site, but the idea is only to show the basic functionality. And only I think I added only check for validation address. So if you try to deposit, actually to withdraw, you cannot deposit to not valid address, because it's automatically generated. Let me try to withdraw, and user 2. Okay, let's take some new address. Okay, this address, we want to draw one Litecoin, and for example, I hope I make invalid address. Okay, I got the warning message that address was invalid. So if I withdraw the actual correct Litecoin address, I'll get the transaction. Okay, and I'll see my, here is the new transaction is coming. One Litecoin subtract the network fee is coming. Zero confirmation yet. Okay, and this is all, I think. Bye.